a series of 200 topics on speaking. Today's topic is pets. Question number 1. Do you have any pets? I do have 2 kitties. I got them because I adore animals and needed some company and pure affection in my life. Question number 2. What animals would you like to have as pets? I want to get a dog, a rabbit, and a guinea pig. I believe they would all be entertaining and interesting pets to have around. Dogs make excellent companions and can bring a great deal of affection and loyalty. Rabbits are adorable and docile, and they make excellent family pets. Guinea pigs are friendly and enjoy being petted and played with. Question number 3. Do you have a favorite animal? Absolutely. A cat is my favorite animal. I adore their exhilarating personalities, the way they express affection, and the fact that they are self-sufficient and low maintenance. In my opinion, cats are also very intelligent and capable of forming strong bonds with their owners. Question number 4. What do you enjoy about having a pet? Owning a pet is a very gratifying experience. It gives you company, unconditional love, and a sense of responsibility. It's also fun to see kids experiment and discover new things. Owning a pet is also an excellent way to unwind and distress. Question number 5. Have you ever had a pet when you were young? Yes, I used to have a dog when I was younger. He was a golden retriever and a wonderful buddy. He was always game for a game of fetch and enjoyed lengthy hikes. He was a devoted and loving companion, and I will never forget him. Question number 6. Which animals you do not want to have as pets? I would never keep a wild or unusual animal as a pet. These creatures should be released back into the environment where they can live out their natural lives in their natural surroundings. Raising wild or exotic animals as pets might be risky because they are not accustomed to being handled and can be unpredictable. Question number 7. Do you like seeing animals at the zoo? Absolutely. I enjoy watching the animals at the zoo. It's an excellent approach to learning more about different species and appreciating how incredible they are. I really like how they can walk around and interact with their surroundings. It's an excellent way to learn about and appreciate nature. Question number 8. What pet would you like to get if you could choose any? I'd want to own a bearded collie. These are gorgeous and intelligent canines, in my opinion. They are devoted and protective, and they make excellent friends. They are also highly energetic and require a lot of exercise, which I believe would be beneficial to my health. Question number 9. Should kids learn about animals? Certainly, I believe it is critical for children to learn about animals. It can help kids appreciate and comprehend the natural world and the various species that inhabit it. When children learn about animals, they can also learn essential lessons about responsibility and empathy. A text of all the questions and answers is available in the description.